Hello everyone. Welcome to an episode of Lessons of Law. Today, we are going to explore two legal issues to watch out for while using generative AI. This assumes that you are using a company-approved generative AI vendor. We will need to be aware of contract compliance and potential IP infringement. On the first topic of contract compliance, you will need to familiarize yourself with the key compliance obligations in the relevant contract with the generative AI vendor. For example, if you had agreed to the vendor's acceptable use policy, you should comply with those requirements. As another example, if the relevant contract states that you are not to use the output to reverse engineer the process or to develop a similar competing model, then you should refrain from doing so. Failure to comply with the contractual obligations may result in your company being liable for contractual breaches. Next, we need to consider the possibility of IP infringement due to the output generated. If the output generated is the same as, or substantially similar to, existing IP, then this could be a ground for an IP infringement claim against your company. As you often don't know how the generative AI model is generating the output, it is a good practice to exercise human oversight to manually check through for any potential IP issues. Nevertheless, at this point in time, it is acknowledged that it is unlikely that a properly sophisticated and developed model would generate IP infringing output. That's just a small drop in the ocean that is generative AI. Feel free to scroll back on this video if the explanation was too fast. You can also leave a comment if you want to ask any questions. Happy learning!